This is another nationwide Whole Foods Market recall. Recall has been issued for 365 Whole Food markets. Tampa Bay Fisheries Incorporated has issued this recall for undeclared allergens. Now, this is a voluntary recall, and Whole Food Markets has said you can bring a receipt back for a full refund. This is a fish recall, frozen fish recall. It is for beer battered cod fillets and beer battered pollock fillets.
Well, you may want to go ahead and check your freezer. Beer battered fillets stocked at Whole Foods has been recalled.
This is a nationwide recall. But before I get into the allergen and the dates, if you are not subscribed to the channel, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn the notification bell to all so that you can stay up to date and aware of these recalls when I announce them. Now again, this is for beer battered cod fillets and beer battered pollock fillets. The allergen is soy.
Contains an undeclared soy allergen.
These beer battered cod and beer battered pollock fillets may contain soy. So now if you are allergic to soy in any form or fashion, it is being advised that you do not eat them. You can either dispose of them or you can take them back to where you purchased them with your receipt and receive a full refund. For those of you who may have soy allergies, this can be very serious and even life-threatening. So you don't want to consume it. Make sure you either dispose of it or you can take it back if you still have your receipt. These frozen fish fillet, the frozen cod fillets, and the frozen pollock fillets were sold nationwide at Whole Foods Market between September the 8th and December the 22nd of 2023. Today is December 28th, 2023.